Okay, Kenmore upright. I took apart this dispenser, removed it, completely cleaned out everything. It's as good as new. All the holes are cleared up. And what I noticed in the very back where the water is supposed to feed into the dispenser, we'll give it a minute here. There it goes. It's adjusting. It moves fine. But the water pressure that comes in there is just pathetic. And I wonder if it's because of that little pump behind it, if that's a pump at all. See, the water just barely makes it in there. And it really doesn't do anything but... So the holes don't even drain the water. So something's wrong there. And I think it's that water is not coming in forcefully enough.